Hi friends, so next topic is dynamic characteristics. Okay, so static characteristic we have also discussed. Okay, so what is dynamic characteristic? So instrument is rarely responds to the instantaneous changes in the measured variables. Okay, so their response is low or sluggish due to the mass, thermal capacitance, electrical capacitance, inductance, etc. So sometimes even the instrument has to wait for some time till the response occur. So this type of instrument are normally used for the measurement of quantities that fluctuate with time. Okay, so the behavior of such system, whereas the input varies from instant to instant, the output also varies from instant to instant, that called as dynamic response of the system. Okay, so the set of criteria defined for the instruments which are changes rapidly with time is called as the dynamic characteristic. Okay, so transient response is defined as the part of the response which goes to zero as the there becomes large. Okay, and the steady state response is the response that is a defined periodic cycle. Okay, and here the various static characteristics are speed of response, measuring log, fidelity, and dynamic error. Okay, we will discuss one by one. So what is speed of response? Okay, so speed of response, it is defined as the rapidity with which a measurement system responds to change in measured quantity. Okay, so it is defined as rapidly with which an instrument respond to the changes in the measured quantity, and it shows how active and fast the system is. Okay, so सिस्टम है वो फास्ट है कि स्लो है, वो स्पीड ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स से हम पता चलता है. ठीक है, कि स्लो सिस्टम है फास्ट है, कितनी देर में हम आउटपुट लेते हैं वो. And here fidelity, what is fidelity? So it is defined as the degree to which a measurement system is capable of faithfully reproducing the changes in input without any dynamic error. That's called as the fidelity. Okay, next is measuring lag. So what is lag? So it is the retardation or delay in the response of a measurement system to changes in the measured quantity. Okay, so energy system requires its own time to respond to the change in the input. So this time is called as the lag. Okay, कि हमें कितना टाइम लगता है कि वो मेजर्ड कर सके क्वांटिटी, उसे हम लैग कहते हैं. ओके, and it is defined as the retardation or delay in the response of system to changes in the output. And the lags are of two types, means retardation type and second is time delay lag. Okay, so retardation time is what? So as soon as there is a change in the measured quantity, the measurement system begins to respond. So in this case, the response of the measurement system begins immediately after the change in measured quantity has occurred. Okay, second one is time delay lag. So the response of the system starts after a dead time. Once the input is applied, they cause dynamic error, and time delay lag also cause the dynamic error. Okay, so in this case, the response of the measurement system begins after a dead time, after the application of input. Okay, and fidelity, as I told, fidelity, it is defined as the degree to which measurement system indicates change in the measured quantity without dynamic error. So what is dynamic error? So it is the difference between the true value of the quantity changing with time and the value indicated by measurement system if no static error is assumed. Okay, and it is also called as measurement error. Okay, so that all are the dynamic characteristic. And dynamic error is, it is the difference. What is dynamic error? Is the difference between the true value of the quantity that is to be measured changing with time and the measured value if no static error is assumed. So static error को हम dynamic error में assume नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, so that is the dynamic characteristic. Next is error. What is error? And all are we will discuss in next video lecture. Thank you.